This video will go over the calibration procedure for the fixed bed gas adsorption column experiment. Currently, only nitrogen is flowing through the sensor. As you can see, there is a little bit of offset in the readings. In order to zero the sensor, click Stop Logging, Configure Sensor, and then Calibrate to 0. Once we begin recollecting the data, the readings stabilize at 0. Next, we will be going over how to calibrate the sensor when there is no carbon dioxide concentration. Currently, the CO2 concentration is calculated to be about 7.14%. However, the sensor is reading about 6%. Here are the current flow rate readings for the nitrogen and the carbon dioxide. The CO2 reading has to be corrected by applying the appropriate offset and the K value for the carbon dioxide and nitrogen combination, which is 0.74. Students will need to use whichever flow meter values that they specifically have to calculate the concentration to be used for calibration, which is done through the utilization of the equation displayed here. After applying these factors to the particular flow meter values shown in this video before, the CO2 concentration should be about 7.14%, which is about 71,000 parts per million. To calibrate, once again stop logging, configure sensor, and then under Calibrate to Span, enter 71,000 parts per million. Note that this value only applies to the particular case and must be calculated for each specific scenario. Now click Calibrate to Span. When we begin logging again, the CO2 concentration is now more accurate at about 7.1%.